Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your Facebook page name. So let's get started. First open Facebook app on your mobile. Now tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right side. Now we need to switch to the page profile. To do that, tap on down arrow at the top bar. Here you will find your main profile and all the pages. Just tap on the page whose name you wish to change. I will tap on Test Page. Now tap on Page Profile Image at the bottom right side. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy option. Now tap on Settings. Tap on Page Settings option. Now tap on Name. On the next screen, enter the new name for your page. Once you make the changes, tap on the Review Change button. Now enter your Facebook password for security reasons. Tap on Save Changes and your page name will be updated. Note that you can change the page name every 60 days. So that is how you can change your Facebook page name. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.